Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off 2v2 invites on Frag Pro Shooter game. So let's get started. First, open the Frag Pro Shooter game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Now, go to the advanced settings. In the advanced settings, you can find the 2v2 invites option. Simply tap on the tick mark besides the 2v2 option and turn it off. And this is how you can turn off 2v2 invites on Frag Pro Shooter game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.